I have my Neewer carbon fiber tripod, 6 foot tall. I love it. Haven't used it yet, but we know we will. Rotating bottom. Lock it in. And it works like a charm. If you're using a camera, screw it on. If you're using a smartphone, you need a smartphone mount. Yes, we are having a problem. Solution. They give you this book. Put the book underneath where that ball is and finish screwing it down. We're good to go. Nice floaty motion. Very professional. And then if you're not moving it, tighten everything up. We like it. That is the Neewer Professional Head User Manual. And there's my professional head. Love it.